Sup? First, I'd like to say I know my nails. I know. You don't gotta fucking tell me. They look gross as shit. Here you go. Look at them. They're gross. You don't gotta tell me. I know. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this half cut crease gold little moment on my eyelids. I'm not gonna say a super long intro because I don't got a lot to say, but one thing. If you like this video, please like my video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe with the little bell over there or over there. I haven't figured it out yet, but it's somewhere. Please share it with all your friends and family, even people you don't love, because why not? Who cares? It's just a video and it's makeup. But yeah, other than that, let's just get right into this video. To start off this look, I'm going to use the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. You can find them online. And I'm going to start with this second shade over from the right. I would try to pronounce the names, but yeah. So that palette doesn't have a mirror, so I'm going to use this one for a mirror. So I'm going to use that brown shade, and I already primed my lids with the NYX primer. Place that brown color in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade called Zulu. It's more like a brown maroon color. So circular motion and windshield. Circular windshield. With the shade furthest to the left, taking a M506 by Morphe. And again, I'm just going to put this in the crease to darken it up a little bit. So I'm actually going to take that last shade that I went into and I'm going to bring it more in, like halfway. Like that. I'm going to take this Sephora tapered crease brush number 19 and just soften the edges of all this. Soften the edges of everything. And just like this. Just kind of going around everything and making it a lot more smooth and soft. I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. glitter glue, and I just want to say people always ask me where I get this glitter glue, and I cannot find it in any of my Walmarts. I ordered it online and I believe it was about $4. I just take a little bit of the glitter glue on my hand, take a brush, dip it in there, and what we're going to do is just go for a half cut crease. And bring it about halfway. I'm just going to put the glitter on this little brush that I use, and we're just going to pat it onto where the glitter glue is. You don't really want to rub it because it's going to flake all over your face, and that is not the look we're going for, okay? Okay. I am going to go back in with this palette and I'm going to use these two browns to darken up the outer edge. So that's what we're gonna do. Right where the glitter stops, you're gonna So I was gonna try to make this like a whole one palette tutorial, but like I can't just mix those shades and it get dark enough for me. So I'm gonna go in with my Androgyny palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm gonna use Dominatrix up here. Dip my brush in. It's hella pigmented, so don't go in too hard, okay? Because you will be very sad. Because I've done it a lot. Matrix and just dab it out here on the outer edge. And then brush it outward. This is just like a generic brush from like a brush set. It literally says eye blending brush, so like I don't know what to tell you, you know? Now I'm gonna use these two shades right here, the lightest brown and this maroonish color, and I'm just gonna take like this weird angle brush to smudge underneath my bottom lid. Lash line, whatever the fuck you want to call it, I don't know. I'm going to use these two shimmery shades. I'm gonna mix them together because this one is way too fucking light and this one is way too fucking dark. So we gonna mix the two and we gonna put one right underneath our eyebrow bone because we are that bitch and we are trying to show them that we have the highest arch. Don't fucking look at my mirror. I know it is so dirty. I know. Don't fucking clock me. I know my mirror is dirty. Leave me the fuck alone. This is a weapon. I could kill you. Do I dare wear this dark lip? I forgot lashes. I will be right back. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this eye makeup tutorial, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Obviously, I am new here and I would love to grow and thrive into a beautiful tulip. Share with all your family and friends, even bitches that you don't fucking like, because why the fuck not? And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
Brother crippin', bitch, I'm trippin', ho, you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin', I like hot sauce on my chicken.
A bitch is thirsty after that beat. It's your girl Tia. We are learning how to do this half cut crease gold tutorial.